Today I have created this bold festive look specially for Navratri, and I'm so excited to show you how I achieved this look. This is perfect if you're planning to wear something glamorous and want your eyes to stand out during the celebrations. The first step is always primer. I am starting with a primer to prep my skin. Primer works as a base for makeup. It smooths out the skin, minimizes pores, and also helps your foundation and eyeshadow last longer, especially if you are going to dance, sweat, and enjoy during Navratri nights. Now, usually people start with the base, but since we are going in for bold eyes, today I'm starting directly with the eye makeup. Doing the eyes first helps avoid any fallout messing up the foundation later. It also helps keep the look cleaner. I began with a few brown shades. These are from the same family, so they'll blend beautifully. I'm applying them all over the lids to create a soft transition shade. This step is very important because it makes the darker colors we'll add later look more seamless. Always remember, eye makeup is about layering one step at a time. Bold eye looks take a little patience. You have to work on both eyes together step by step instead of finishing one eye completely and then moving on to another. This way both eyes end up looking balanced. Now comes the star of the look, black eyeshadow. I'm placing it on the outer corners of my eyelids and then gently pulling it inward using my brush. Notice that I'm not adding extra product, just blending what's already on the brush. This technique prevents the look from becoming too harsh. I'm taking this light shimmer shade to place it onto my inner corners of the eyes. This step is completely optional. If you are happy with how your eyeshadow has turned out, you can skip this one. But because I like to highlight my eyes when the lights fall onto it, it looks very beautiful. So I am opting for this one. You can use the tip of your finger to place the product onto your eyelids. Next, I'm applying eyeliner to give definition to the eyes. You can go as bold or as thin as you prefer, depending on your outfit and your mood. Now for mascara, one of my favorite steps. Mascara really transforms the eyes. It lifts the lashes, makes them look fuller, and gives that wide open effect. I am not using false lashes today because I want the eyes to look bold but still natural. But if you want extra drama, you can definitely go for falsies. For doing my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow palette which has a small angle brush which you can use to give shape to your eyebrows and also fill in the sparse areas. Doing eyebrows gives it a fuller look and it just gets enhanced and looks better. It's a completely skippable step if you don't want to go for it, but for me, I prefer doing it, so here I am. If any product has fallen on the under eye area, don't worry. Just clean it up gently with a tissue or a cotton pad. This is why I prefer doing my eyes before the base. I'm adding a touch of highlighter under the brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes. These little touches instantly brighten up the look and make your eyes pop. Now let's move to the base. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation. It's one of my go-to foundations for festive looks because it's long-lasting, sweat-proof and waterproof. Plus it gives a beautiful dewy finish while being full coverage. With this foundation, I honestly don't feel the need of a concealer because it already evens out everything so well. I'm blending it properly into the skin so that it looks natural yet flawless. Using this liquid blush, I am giving some color to my cheeks so that my face doesn't look pale or one-dimensional. To complete the look, I'm applying a lipstick that complements this bold eye makeup and of course finishing it off with some highlighter on the high points of my face, the cheekbones, the bridge of my nose and a little on the cupid's bow. Highlighter gives the festive glow which looks amazing in both daylight and under the Navratri lights. So this is the final Navratri makeup look. I've also picked out two pairs of earrings that I think would match really well with this look. Let me know in the comments which one you like better, and also tell me, would you try this look for your Navratri celebrations or maybe for any other festive occasion? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials, festive looks. Also hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video and share it with someone who's looking for Navratri inspiration. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay festive, stay glowing and bye.